How AI works, a simple flowchart explanation. Ever wonder what happens inside the brain of a chatbot like ChatGPT or Gemini? It all comes down to a simple, three-step process. We're talking about large language models, or LLMs. Let's break down the magic, step by step, starting with you. Step 1 is the easiest, your prompt. This is your input. It could be a simple question, a complex instruction, or even just a few starting words for a poem. This text is the ignition key for the entire process. Key takeaway. It doesn't matter if it's 2 words or 1,000, the model takes that raw text and immediately prepares to translate it into a language it can understand, math.
Step 2 is the engine room, the AI model itself. When your prompt arrives, 2 critical things happen simultaneously. First, the context mechanism kicks in. In the context detail, the model instantly breaks your text into small units called tokens, think of them as digital pieces of words. It then finds the mathematical relationship between all these tokens. This tells the AI what you mean, what you're asking for, and which words are most important. Then after that, it engages its knowledge base. This is the collective memory of the AI, built upon massive pre-training from vast amounts of internet data. It's what allows the model to know facts, grammar rules, and how different ideas connect. Key takeaway. So, your prompt is tokenized for meaning, context, and then checked against the AI's memory, knowledge base, to prepare for the answer. Finally, we reach step 3, the generated response. This is where the magic happens, but it's not magic, it's statistics. Based on your tokenized input and its massive knowledge base, the model simply predicts the statistically most likely next word to continue the sentence. It selects that word, adds it to the response, and then uses that new sentence to predict the next most likely word. Conclusion. It does this thousands of times per second, word by word, until the full answer is complete. The result is the coherent, human-like response you see on your screen. Final thought. From your text, to math, and back to words. That is the simple flow of how a large language model works. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please support our humble efforts by subscribing to this channel.